crispy jalebi not turning out right? The secret is in the syrup and oil temperature. Let's make it step by step at home. Step 1. Batter. All-purpose flour 1 cup. Cornflour 4 tablespoons. Baking soda 1/4 teaspoon. Food color 1/4 teaspoon. Mix well. Yogurt 4 tablespoons. Water 150 milliliters. Mix well to make a smooth batter. Make a smooth flowing batter, ribbon consistency. Cover and rest for 15 minutes. Step 2. Sugar syrup. Sugar 3 cups. Water 1½ cup. Cardamom 6 to 7. Lemon juice 2 teaspoons. Mix until sugar dissolves. Bring boil. Simmer for 10 to 15 seconds. Cook until slightly sticky, no one-string consistency needed. Step 3. Frying. Heat oil on medium-high flame. Transfer batter into a squeeze bottle or piping bag. If using a poly bag, cut a very small hole for perfect jalebi shape. Make sure oil is medium hot, otherwise jalebi will not puff. Make circular shapes in hot oil. Fry until crispy and golden. When jalebi is done, it turns crispy. Final step, important point. Add hot jalebi immediately into warm syrup, do not wait. The sugar syrup should be warm or slightly hot. If the syrup is too hot, jalebi will lose its crispiness. If the syrup is too cold, it will not absorb properly. Right consistency of sugar syrup is very important. If the syrup is too thick, jalebi will not absorb it. If the syrup is too thin, jalebi will become soggy. Perfect crispy, juicy Halwai-style jalebi is ready. Try this recipe and subscribe for more delicious recipes.